Chapter 2. Questions. Let's understand. You have learnt in the previous class that questions are sentences that ask for some information. They always end in a question mark. Questions are also called interrogative sentences. Examples. How many windows does the house have? How many trees are there behind the house? Note, these are questions for the sentences given above in A. Fill in the blanks. Yes or no questions. Some questions are answered with a yes or a no. These are called yes or no questions. Examples. Do you like ice cream? Yes or no. Can he swim? Yes or no. Will you come with us? Yes or no. In a yes or no question, the helping verb comes before the subject. Examples. Statement. Question. Alia is unwell today. Is Alia unwell today? We should go now. Should we go now? It will rain this evening. Will it rain this evening? You must go now. Must you go now? B. Answer the given forming questions. Some statements have no helping verb. You can change these into questions by adding do or does before the subject in the statements. Add do before the sentence if it starts with I, you or any plural subject. Add does before the sentence if it starts with he or she or it or any singular subject. Examples. I work late in the night. Do you work late in the night? She cries a lot. Does she cry a lot? C. Transform the. Do remember that questions are sentences that ask for information and end in a question mark. There are two kinds of questions, WH questions and yes or no questions. Helping verbs are used before the subject to make yes or no questions. We use do or does before the subject to change any statement without helping verbs into questions. Chapter 3.